Hey guys, game time. Something new today. 2019 Score football. I particularly really like this product. I know a lot of people don't. It's considered a lower value, lower tier, and it's because they give you so many inserts and they're not hard to get and whatnot. But it's still fun to open. To see so much stuff, and they usually, I don't know about this year, they have, all of the inserts have parallel tiers, red, green, etc., etc. And I think that's fun too. Usually get a lot of autographs too. Let's see. Look for 10 parallels, including an array of hobbies. I mean, see, it's like loaded with stuff. Absolutely loaded. There's the odds. Huge 440 card set. 3 and 30 base, 110 rookies. Base scorecard, gold, artist proof, red zone, end zone, 30th anniversary, gem mat. Oh wow, that's a lot. Looks like there's also 1989 foil stamp buybacks and score buyback autos numbered to 10. Just all kinds of stuff going on here. Huge box. This box weighs like 50 pounds for real. Not for real, but oh, 4 autographs. I think the other day when I was talking about this in advance, I said there were 6. So I was wrong. There's 4 per box on average. That's right, Panini. And 1 full stamp buyback per box again on average. So let's do this. There is a lot of stuff in here. I've got 2 of these to open. So obviously I'll have another video of this if you want to see it. And compare and see which box I did better with. One's always better than the other when I open 2, of course. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Oh, look at you, Andrew Luck. Andrew Luck, bring me some luck. These are fatty packs. That's what one of my cats' nickname is, Fat Pat. She weighs like 50 pounds. So I call her Fat Pat. Her real name's Kit Kat. So Fat was an easy transition. Oh Lord. Okay, there's the base card. This is very 80-ish. 80-esque. Is that right? That's not really a word, is it? That's very plain. It reminds me of 89 score, I think. 89 or 88, 87. Wow, that is pretty plain Jane. Wow. Not sure I'm crazy about that. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think about this? There's a blue. The blue looks a little bit better than the red. So I wonder what the difference is. Is one like AFC and the other's NFC? That's the difference between the blue and red, maybe. I definitely like the blue better than the red. Alright, there is a gold zone Ezekiel Anza to 50. And then we have a Mahomes Epics. I don't know if this is a parallel version. There's the back. Nice and shiny. I'm guessing this is a parallel version. I guess the shiny ones are All Hands Team, Nick Chubb. Because this is, I guess, what a base insert would look like. Fantasy Stars Brady. Oh, and this reminds me, this is like, what year? It was Score Baseball. Another, I think, maybe early 90s. It had this type design, this lettering, I think. What is going on? Okay, and then the rookie cards are completely different and actually look better to me. Jared Stidham, Patrick Simmons, Quentin Williams, Sanders, Conrad, Weber, and DeAndre Baker. Yeah, I like the rookie cards better. Yeah, wow, that's a lot to process for real though. Let's move on. No auto in that pack. Let's see what's happening in this one. Doug Martin. Oh yeah, I forgot he's back in the league. I guess he's still in the league. I like him. Little tugboat. He's a short guy. Low center of gravity though. He kind of bounces around like a little bowling ball off of defenders. He also helped me place in one of my fantasy football leagues one year, so I have a soft spot for him. Luckily, I drafted him like the one really big year he had. Crazy how fast running backs can decline and disappear. Like I had him and he was like a stud running back, and then next year he's like in the CFL. It was crazy. Alright, what we got going on here? A rookie scorecard, Preston Williams. Baker Mayfield, Epics. A Adam Thielen, All Hands Team. Tom Brady, Captains. Alan Hearns. So, not a rookie auto. I thought all four would be rookie autos. Nope. It's a good looking autograph too. I mean, it's a good looking card in general. That's nice. I'll take that. That's cool. I like it. James Williams, Patrick Laird, Will Greer, Emmanuel Hall, Jalen Ferguson, Montez Sweat, Jalen Moore, Miles Boykin, Gary Jennings Jr., and Jonathan Abram. So we've only opened 2 packs and we have this many cards. That is a lot. Move my little autograph over here so when I drop cards, which I'm gonna do, it doesn't fall on, they don't fall on the autograph. There's Chubb, Dalton. There's my man, Derrick Henry. Evan Ingram. Amari, which seems crazy to see him in the Cowboys uniform. I don't like when some players change teams because I just see them like forever being linked with their original team. Alright, this is the score buyback stamped car, Joey Browner. There's the little full stamp. I guess you can see it. Not numbered or anything, but still pretty cool. Oh, okay. I'm so stupid. This says, the stamp says 89 to 2019. So this, a lot of these are, the base cards are reminiscent. You know, they're the 89 design brought back. I knew it looked familiar. I knew it was one of the 80s. Scorecard, James White, parallel. Signal caller, Sam Darnold. I love that they've made some of these inserts foil. That's great. James Conner, Epics, game. The others said season. This is game. So I guess it's a higher tier. Wesley Woodyard, captains. Huddle up, Patriots. Isabella, Alex Barnes, Singletary, Nick Bosa. That's a good one. Rodney Anderson, Trayvon Mullen, Anton Wesley, Devin Bush, Hakeem Baker, and Jacoby Myers. Nice pack. Deion Lewis, there's Derek Carr, Hopkins, Joku. There's Dak Prescott. Okay, now that I remember these are the 89, that does explain the 2 different colors. It was what I thought it was. McKinley, Treadwell, Clay Matthews, Patrick Peterson. What we got here? Kyle Van Noy, artist proof. pretty clear and easy to, it's numbered out of, hang on, we get a lot, 35. That's nice. Signal Callers, Russell Wilson. Epic's Game, Jared Goff. Fantasy Stars, Cam Newton. Kelvin Harmon, NC State NFL Draft card. Then we have Anthony Johnson, Josh Jacobs, nice. Ratliff Williams, Cleveland Farrell, who many people thought got drafted a little bit too high. Bryce Love, McLaurin, Hill, Walker, Brown, Adderley. Alright, that's 2 huge stacks of cards. You know, I admire anybody that makes this set. I mean, having a big set like that is so reminiscent of the 80s when sets were, oh my god, sometimes it'd be 600 cards plus. It's just craziness. Alright. Mariota. There's CJ Mosley. Sean Watson. Come on. Where are we? Oh, good lord, I should have just flipped it. Alright. Crowell, Lee, Tate. There's Connor. I like James Conner. Lockett, Warner, Thielen. I like Thielen and Cup. They're both fun to watch. Alright, scorecards, Seth Roberts. Throwbacks, Tariq Cohen. That's new, something different. Good looking back. Signal Callers, Phillip Rivers. Captains, Travis Kelce. Byron Murphy, rookie autograph. More along the lines of what I was expecting out of here. So that's auto number 2. Tyree Jackson, Johnny Dixon, Dwayne Haskins from Ohio State. Nick Brissett out of LSU, Travion Williams out of A&M, Dexter Lawrence, Dexter Williams, Jalen Smith, Preston Williams, and Deontay Thompson, who was fun to watch. Alright. Oh, I hate having to flip all these. Let me just do this. Good lord. There's Baker Mayfield. That's nice. I like him better in NFL than I did in college. In college, I felt like he had to kind of like Johnny Manziel-ish. Kind of a little punk a little bit. But he seems to be, I don't know. I don't know the guy. I can't say he's more humble now, because now he's rich as crap. But here's one little problem with these cards. I don't know if you can see this. The bad edge, really rough edge cut. Put it up against another card, maybe you can. So that's not very cool, Panini. Alright, there's Josh Rosen. Jacoby Myers, numbered out of 30. I'm not entirely sure what parallel this is, to be completely honest. It doesn't really, well, it is the NFL draft card, so I guess it has its own parallel version. Well, no, it's not. It looks just like a, I don't know. Anyways, Jacoby Myers out of 30. Phillip Rivers, throwbacks. Signal Callers, Josh Allen. Here's the NFL draft card, Marquise Brown. Then we have Fantasy Stars, Aaron Rodgers. Clayton Thorson, Jalen Hurd. Ryan Finley, Jake Browning, Christian Wilkins, Josh Allen. I was like, what? Myles Gaskin, Jermaine Pratt, Stanley Morgan Jr., and Kelvin Harmon. Alright. Where are we at? Oh my god, 14 minutes already? Wow. Well, I knew this was going to take some time. With the second box, I'll try to go a bit faster. Alright. Let's just get through the base cards. Mahomes, Chubb. Zeke, Antonio Brown, Aaron Rodgers, are you kidding me? Jameis Winston. Alright. Scorecard, Clay Matthews, Mike Williams, All Hands Team, Ezekiel Elliott, Epics Moment. I like these epics. This is also something that they did before, I think in baseball. Epics, and there was different versions of it. God, I wish I could remember. It seems like it was 90s baseball, like 90s score, not 90, but somewhere in the 90s score baseball, I think. I don't know. If you know, comment below and let me know. Captains, Cam Newton, David Seals the 5th autograph. Nice signature, David. I appreciate you. That's autograph number 3. Arcega Whiteside, Renfro, Drew Lock, Dungy, Zach Allen, Devin White. He was good. David Blow, Gardner Johnson, David Sills again, and Brian Burns. All right. This is the break that never ends. Yes, it goes on and on, my friend. Somebody started breaking it, not knowing what it was, and we'll continue breaking it forever just because it is. Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, we're gonna skip on through. What was that from? Why is that song even in my head? Wasn't that from like the old Lamb Chop show? Whatever. And it was like at the end, I think. It was a little bit before my time. Alright. Allen Robinson scorecard. DeAndre Hopkins, All Hands Team. It's nice photo. Here's another Epics Michael Thomas moment. Huddle Up Lions, Ryan Finley, NC State NFL Draft, Noah Fant, Riley Ridley, very nice. Dylan Mitchell, Rashawn Gary, Damian Harris, very nice. Madison Henderson, Paulette, I don't know, DK Metcalf, and I don't even know, Zimmons? I'm not sure. Alright, 2 more packs. Hang in there. Where are we at? 17 minutes. Looking for one more autograph. And other than that, I'm not sure. Alright, let's get through these. There's just, I don't want to disrespect the base cards, but at the same time, it's just a bit much. Maybe in the next break, I'll actually skip the base cards altogether and make that video half as long as this one. Alright, we are at scorecard. Robert Woods, also known as Robert Woods. Drew Brees, Signal Callers. Bradley Chubb, Throwbacks. Fantasy Stars, Drew Brees. Devin Singletary, that's not bad. That's my other autograph. Alright. Trace McSorley. Nice. Slayton. Daniel Jones. Travis Homer. Darrell Thompson. Gardner Minshew II. Marquise Brown. Terry Godwin II. LJ Scott. And Julian Love. Wow, that's a lot of rookie cards. I wonder if I could make the set from 2 boxes. I mean, it is a lot of, it's a big set, but it's also a lot of cards. Alright, we're going to skip the base. Bring this video to a close. Alright, we got Red Zone. Chris Herndon IV. This is numbered out of something 20. So super short print there. Tom Brady, Signal Callers. Jared Goff, Throwbacks. DeAndre Hopkins, Celebration. I think that's the first Celebration card. Oh, sweet. Nick Bosa. Deebo Samuel, Kyler Murray, very nice. Going out with a bang here at the last pack. Benny Snell Jr., Irv Smith Jr., David Montgomery, very nice. Scarlett Wilson, Greedy Williams, N'Keal Harry, and Greg Dortch. That was actually a really good last pack. So we'll quickly look back at the autographs. We ended up with 3 rookie autographs and 1 non-rookie autograph, which looks really sweet actually. And then we ended up with a mother load of cards, and I do mean a lot. Oh, careful. Let's see, there we go. Whoa. So I don't know, I might make this set with 2 boxes, we'll see. Anyways, like I said, I've got a second box if you want to watch that video. On that one, I think I am for sure going to go past the base. I'll make that faster for you guys so you can just see the inserts, parallels, and hits. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Love you guys, and I'll see you all again soon.